Good evening, everyone. Today I welcome you all to this platform FCI. I know you all are very excited, still nervous about your first audition. So your journey towards your dream starts today with us. I, Shefali Bhargav, is here to welcome you all with big hands and a big smile. And I would like to introduce to our jury members as well. Harry ma'am is also here, and Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, who is our director ma'am, is also here. So let's welcome them and start with our auditions round, right? Starting with the auditions round, what you have to do? You have to do the 2 rounds of ramp walk, and you have to then sit back, relax, and give your introduction. Your introduction should be short. आपका introduction short में होना चाहिए, compile होना चाहिए. We need your name, your age, your hobbies, क्या पसंद है आपको, what you're passionate about, and why you're here for this platform, right? आप क्यों इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए आए हैं, राइट? वापस से रिपीट करूंगी, 2 राउंड्स आपको रैंप वॉक के करने हैं, सबको एक साथ करने हैं, ऑल टुगेदर, एंड देन देयर विल बी अ इंट्रोडक्शन होगा जब मैं नेम वाइज कॉल करूंगी, ठीक है? सब लोग अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. प्लीज मेक योर सेल्फ वीडियो शुड बी विजिबल. वीडियो विजिबल कर लीजिए. देयर इज एन आइकन, स्टार्ट वीडियो का आइकन है, तो प्लीज स्टार्ट योर वीडियो. एवरीवन स्टार्ट विद योर रैंप वॉक नाउ. Priyanka, Komal, please start with your ramp walk. Everyone, please start with your ramp walk with full enthusiasm, and you all are looking beautiful.
Okay, the one with the username Komal Harty and UERJTQ. Could you please switch on your videos?
आप अपने आप को म्यूट करिए. UERJTQ, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. और वीडियो का ऑप्शन है स्टार्ट वीडियो का, प्लीज अपने आप को स्टार्ट वीडियो करिए. Yes, Yamini, you can sit back, relax.
Okay, so pretty much all of you can sit back. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the ramp walk. Namya, आप भी बैठ सकती हैं.
Ma'am, just one thing, I haven't done the ramp walk. Can I just do it again? It was quite like not audible to me.
Okay, please go ahead. Complete your ramp.
Thank you. Sure, thank you.
कोमल, आप भी अपनी ramp walk complete कर दीजिए. And the one with the username जिनका device name show हो रहा है, please switch on your video so that it's easier for us to. Hi Ranjana, can you please switch on your video?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Komal, thank you.
Prachita, please mute yourself. There's an icon for the mute. Please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I want to ask, can I do it ramp walk again?
No, that's all right. You do not have to do it again. It's completely all right. So thank you, ladies, and welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys are doing good, and let's get started with the meteor part of the auditions. So now I'd be asking you to unmute yourself one-on-one, so that we can know more about you guys. Please do not be nervous. Even if you are not from this background, we are here just to know more about you guys. I'm sure you are powerful individuals who are just here to make a mark for yourself. So let's get started, and request you all to keep yourself on mute unless I ask you to unmute yourself. So let's start with Namya. Hi Namya. Please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए.
ऑडिशन है.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. So how are you?
Good, ma'am. And you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please go on with your introduction.
First of all, good evening to all of you. I am Namya from Bihar. I am 18 years old. I am pursuing graduation first year. I am fond of singing, dancing, and listening song. Sorry, ma'am. I am here to achieve this crown because I have a passion to achieve this crown, and so that's why I am here.
Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
Komal, please अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए.
Okay.
Okay. So Namya, where do you see yourself 5 years down the lane? आप crown जीतना चाहती हैं, but winner बनने के बाद क्या? What is your aim and goal in life?
मैम, मेरा एक्चुअली बचपन से मेरा ड्रीम रहा है इसमें आगे जाने का, सो मैं इसमें आगे जरूर जाना पसंद करूंगी, एंड मैं जाना भी चाहती हूँ. इसके लिए मैं से जो पॉसिबल बन पड़े मैं सब कुछ करूंगी.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Namya. Thank you so much. So let's move to Pavleen. Hi, Pavleen. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm absolutely good. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
Yeah, sure. Myself, Dr. Pavleen. I'm a dental surgeon by profession, specialization in implantology, and a certified facial aesthetic surgeon. Along with that, I'm an organizing secretary of Punjab. That is, I just work for an international NGO. And if I talk about my hobbies, I just love cooking. I am just a fitness freak. Like I just love gymming. Along with that, I just love like racing, like such as driving. And along with that, I always love to try new things in my life, whatever I haven't done like in my previous life. Another, the main reason behind why I am in this field is just because this is that field where we can just express ourselves, where we can express our feelings and the way we want to change the world with our own thoughts and everything. So that is a very good field for me to express myself, to enhance myself, and just let the world know that what I exactly want in the life and all. Thank you.
Okay, makes complete sense, Pavleen, and you have a very, very interesting background. Thank you so much for the information.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll move ahead and get back to you in a while.
Absolutely, ma'am. Thank you.
Anushka. Hi, Anushka. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can we please have your introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to everyone present here. My name is Anushka Bose and I am 18 years old. I am from the city of Joy, Kolkata, and I have taken admission in BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. My area of interest revolves around painting, singing, and traveling. I'm a very ambitious person, and I am constantly chasing over anything that gives me a sense of achievement. I feel that FCR is a highly prestigious platform, as it gives me an opportunity to voice my opinions and showcase the talents and also experience a sense of achievement. It is the best platform because it enhances my personality and also encourages a growth in confidence. And participating in beauty pageants and also having a strong self-image goes together. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you. And I shall move forward and let's hear it from Yamini. Hi, Yamini.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Audible?
Yes, you are perfectly audible. So please go ahead.
Okay, so hello, everyone. I am Yamini Chaudhary, and I'm from Udaipur, the city of lakes, Rajasthan. And I am 22 years old and currently pursuing my bachelor's degree from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And my hobbies are teaching and dancing.
Okay. And what brings you here, Yamini? Why do you want to be on this platform? What aspirations do you have?
Actually, I want to explore things and myself also, and also I want to, just become a best version of myself, and that is why I want to be a participant.
Okay, okay, wonderful. Thank you, Yamini. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
let's hear it. The woman sitting in red, Rashi. Hi, Rashi.
Hello, good evening. My name
Good
is
evening.
Rashi Rathore. I hope you're doing well. I hope everyone is doing well. Excuse my maid is cooking right now, so there might be a little bit of disturbance.
That's all right. We are all at, that's the idea of being virtual. We are all at the comfort spaces of our home. So please go ahead, proceed.
Okay, so let me begin. I was born in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, but I was brought up for like 19 to 20 years in Mumbai. And then 1 year ago, I shifted to Ghaziabad with my whole family. Apart from that, from my educational background, I am pursuing BSc Chemistry right now, and I'm in third year. And I have done diploma in aviation and hospitality as well. For my hobbies, I would definitely go for reading and observing criminal psychology, how the criminal mind works. That's my main area. Apart from that, I really like working out, and I really love taking care of my skin really well. So those are my strong points for my hobbies. Apart from that, I'd probably say that I'm a huge animal lover. I have 5 pets at my place. There are 2 birds, 2 cats, and a dog with me. So it's like I really, really love animals. I have a really soft spot for all of them.
Okay, wonderful. So, Rashi, what brings you here? The static question. Why are you here in this pageant today?
The thing is that ever since I was little, I was really, really interested in these things. In my third grade, we went to America for a year, and even there I participated. It's called a Sunburst Beauty Pageant, and I was the second runner-up over there, and it just boosted my confidence to the next level. That I think I can go forward in this industry, or I can at least double my feet into it. So I thought, okay, why not? And after that, when I came back to India, I started taking part in beauty pageants in my school. And then it just made me realize that I think this is the field I want to go in, like either modeling or either pageants, because, it's not just about how you look, it's about your personality, how your IQ works, how your brain works, everything. It just shapes you into a completely different person who is desirable by every single one. And apart from that, the confidence is just at most amazing that a beauty pageant gives you. Even just participating means a lot, really helps with everything.
Makes complete sense, Rashi, and the confidence actually reflects on you. In fact, you are a good example of how polishing and grooming can work for you in the right manner in all career prospects that you get into. So thank you so much for letting us know, and I shall move forward to Prajakta. Hi, Prajakta, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. How about you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Prajakta Ramtike, and I'm 21 years old. I came from the city of that is simply known as Gondia in Maharashtra. I'm pursuing my graduation from Nagpur University, Nagpur, in Bachelor's of Science. And my hobbies includes singing. Actually, I'm not good at singing, but I like it. And even dancing also, reading books and comics as well. And I believe that the journey of 1,000 miles just begins with a single step towards change. And believe in yourself makes the journey amazing. That's why I'm here today. Thank you.
Okay, so Prajakta, what aspirations do you have? Imagine you become the winner of the pageant, and where do you see yourself in 5 years after that?
First of all, if I became the winner of this FCR Forever this year in 2021, after 5 years, I'll go move ahead in this field and do something which I can do. And for also the people who wanna do in this modeling, but they can't know how to do this, I will do this for them too as well.
Okay, makes complete sense. Thank you, Prajakta. It was lovely hearing from you, and I should move forward to Ranjana. Hi, Ranjana.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. I hope you are doing good too. And
Yes,
can
sir.
we please have your introduction?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम रंजना है और मैं यूपी की रहने वाली हूँ और इस टाइम मुंबई में रह रही हूँ। और मेरी हॉबीज है डांसिंग, एक्टिंग। मुझे एक्टर बनना है, एक अच्छा एक्टर बनना है। इस प्लेटफॉर्म से मैं एक्टर बन सकती हूँ एंड इसीलिए मैं ये चूज किया है। और थैंक यू मैम।
जी बिल्कुल आप एक्टर बन सकते हैं, डोंट वरी। इसके बारे में हम थोड़ी देर में बात करने वाले हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग अस नो एंड आई शैल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू कोमल। हाय कोमल। अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज।
सॉरी। हेलो मैम। हाय एवरीवन।
कैसी हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ मैम, आप बताओ।
मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए। अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए प्लीज, अपनी हॉबीज। आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों आना चाहती हैं?
ओके, हाय, दिस साइड इज कोमल। आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली। आई एम 25 years old. कुछ एम नहीं था, जस्ट फ्रेंड ने फोर्स किया था।
ओके, तो फ्रेंड ने फोर्स किया, बट हॉबीज तो आपकी खुद की होंगी। आपके शौक क्या क्या हैं? आप फ्री टाइम में क्या करना एंजॉय करते हैं?
लाइक टाइम सेल्फी हूँ और लिटिल बिट डांसर, सिंगर एंड नथिंग बस।
ओके, एंड अगर आप जीत जाती हैं सपोज, तो आप आगे क्या करना चाहेंगी लाइफ में? आपका गोल क्या है?
थोड़ा सा डांस पे फोकस करना चाहूंगी और थोड़ी सी अपनी पर्सनालिटी निकालना चाहूंगी अंदर से।
ठीक है, मेक्स कंप्लीट सेंस। थैंक यू कोमल। एंड आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए, मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ। एंड लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम प्रीति। हाय प्रीति। कैन वी प्लीज हैव योर वीडियो एंड ऑडियो? Preeti Mandal, can you please switch on your video?
They're not responding, Harry, so we can continue.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. And I'm sure अब तक आपने ये realize कर लिया होगा that you guys are so different from each other, but still the one thing that binds each one of you, this 8 of you sitting across each other, is a passion to make a mark for yourself, to create a unique identity, and of course to groom yourself. That's the bottom line, right? You win or do not win, that's a very later call, but what you take away from a specific platform, the experience holds a very strong credibility. So let me just tell that to you, that you are completely on a right platform, and congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It's an absolute pleasure to have each one of you here today. Thank you so much for putting yourself out so well. आज आपका audition complete होने के बाद, within 48 hours, we will be sending you an audition report via email or WhatsApp. The idea is to keep the process very transparent from the scratch, and to ensure that for every effort that you put into this platform, you deserve an output for that. Because to kickstart any journey, I always say you need to know where do you stand, because that is how you see your growth from. That is the starting point always. So the audition report will give you clarity whether you have been selected or not, and of course the reasons why you have been selected. What potential do we think that you hold, and of course what are the points that you can potentially improve upon. So these are, this is just the beginning. The process is going to get even more fun and of course more responsible from here. So about the platform Forever Star India, our director of the project, Ms. Kirti Chaudhary, would be talking about in detail. Over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to everyone. First of all, congratulations for appearing for today's audition. I know that it requires a lot of courage to talk about yourself, talk about your passion, and why you're here on this platform. So it was lovely talking to each one of you, and let me tell you, all of you are looking pretty. Somebody's wearing red, somebody's in black. Though if I'm not wrong, your attire was black and blue, right? which you had to wear for today's audition, but still everyone's looking lovely. And let me just tell you that this platform that you're here on today is not just a beauty pageant. अगर आप ये सोच के यहाँ पे audition दे रहे हैं कि मैं सिर्फ Miss और Mrs. India में participate करूँगी, I'll win, and that's all. So let me clarify it in detail. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We are organizing a huge event and award shows together, and we're trying to create a community of like-minded professionals, of like-minded women like you, who are passionate in some way or the other. Sabka passion different hota hai, so all of you, just look at you, and when you listen to each other, I'm sure you feel inspired that if I look at Rashi, she's already a little polished. Yeah, when I look at Pavleen, she's from a different background, right? She's from a dental background, and now she's aiming for some other things in life. So all of you are here to explore. And let me tell you, we have 150 plus experts here on this platform who are going to train you to become the best version of yourself. And it's not just a matter of 10 days. It's not a matter of 1 month. It's not even a matter of 2 months. Your trainings are going to go on till December, because the grand finale will happen in December. So imagine the normal beauty pageants, they only train you for a week, 10 days or 15 days. And you see a significant difference in your personality. You see a significant difference in your confidence, your presentation skills, right? Your self-esteem just boosts up. So imagine if you are being trained here, if you're being groomed here for these 4 to 5 months, what is the difference that you're going to see? You will see an altogether different Rashi, a different Ranjana, a different Anushka here when we meet in December. So before December, it is going to be completely virtual. Looking at the pandemic that has been going for a while now, we do not want to risk your lives in this situation. So what will happen is, as soon as you clear today's audition, okay, so whether you clear or you do not clear today's audition, you will be receiving an audition report, which will have all the details that on what basis have you been selected. Secondly, as soon as you receive the audition report and you have cleared the audition, you will become eligible for participation, right? So you have to complete the participation process, and instantly we start with your training sessions. So once or twice a week, you will have to appear for those training sessions in the same manner, just that the number of candidates are going to be more. Today, we just have 9 of you, right? So we will put you up in batches of 30 to 40 candidates pan-India, right? So all the candidates are going to be from different states, but on the basis of your preference of timing. For example, if you are free during the mornings, we'll place you in a morning batch. If you're free during the evenings, we'll place you in an evening batch. And then accordingly, your sessions are going to start. Now, once the sessions start, along with that, we're going to start with talent rounds as well, virtually. If you want to get a better idea, you can go through our YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and you'll find all the videos uploaded there that how are these training sessions and these talent rounds happening. Harry has already shared the links with you. Do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get a better idea that what kind of trainers we have on board. Secondly, once you appear for these talent rounds, we have 3 virtual rounds for which you'll be appearing. So you'll be given 3 chances to prove yourselves with respect to your presentation skills, your ramp walk, your makeup skills. But ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको instantly किसी round के लिए appear करना है और हम आपको prepare नहीं करवाएंगे. So firstly, a trainer is going to train you for a specific round with respect to a specific personality trait or skill, and then you'll be appearing for that round. अगर आपका makeup का round है, then a makeup expert is going to train you for the same. If you're appearing for a ramp walk round, then a ramp walk expert is going to train you for the same. And then we will have finalists from every city. Now, everything you have to take.
Okay, I guess there is some connection issue. So just give me 10 seconds and I'll sort it out. Just 10 seconds, guys. Okay, so there is some major connectivity issue that has, backfired at the end of the office. So, Kirti ma'am has pretty much clarified. Now things need to be taken seriously from here because, there is no looking back. You are all going to eventually become a very important part of our community. And the idea will sustain of building a community where it's going to be, always a community over the idea of a pageant. And moving forward, the lifetime membership that Kirti ma'am had mentioned, how will that work? Most of you mentioned that you want to either get into, further into modeling and acting. For that matter, the idea that we want to put forward there is that next year we'll be probably coming with our own OTT platform, which is going to offer, profile jobs like acting, choreography, singing, and, all those possible profiles that are always open in the OTT. All the shows for that matter, and you guys will be accessing those opportunities directly without any third party involved. So the OTT platform, I'm sure everybody is aware of OTT because, the entertainment industry is being ruled by OTT, Amazon, Hotstar, Netflix, since the past 2 years, especially since COVID has come up. And imagine getting, those opportunities directly through our community, being our members without any third party involved and any extra hassle of, making safe and secure contacts. Because being women today, I'm sure you guys are working, or even as students, you must have realized that making secure and safe contacts for women is very difficult. Because when, even for that matter, when you see an ad on Instagram, you must have seen Forever Star India's ad, the first thing that pops up is kahin ye fake to nahi hai, because your details are going into it, your ID is going into it. So you need to realize that. But to ensure that we are trying to build a very secure platform for women, which is women oriented, you have seen just Mera director, 95% of our female, employees are females. So that's the idea, and this is just the beginning. I have pasted the details of Forever Star India into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot and follow us and start building your own content, your own brand via social media, because I'm sure you are aware how important social media is. And of course, it gives you a loophole to present your talent without any criteria and with a lot of freedom. So that would be it from our end. Thank you so much for hearing us patiently. It was lovely meeting all of you, and I'm really, really looking forward to see all of you in the training sessions really soon. Just wait for your audition report. And in case you have any questions, please go ahead. Agar aap logo ko kuch bhi confusion hai about the platform, about the coming sessions, please do let me know.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, please go ahead, Pavleen.
The rounds, they are just going to held through the Zoom meeting or like Zoom app only.
Absolutely. Everything will be virtual, 95% of it. And post that, the crowning ceremony is going to happen in December, where we will be crowning 350 plus winners. It will not just be one winner. We will be crowning city winners, state winners, and national winners, where all the 350 plus winners will be coming together on a single platform. Because I'm sure crown pehenna kisi ko bhi online ya Zoom pe to acha lagega nahi. You would want to wear it, while you adorn those beautiful garments of designers. So the crowning ceremony will be executed offline. The rest of it will be done online, so that to ensure that aap apne ghar se, because most of you are either working or students, so that aapne ghar ke ya office ke space se wo cheeze access kar paye. And of course, to avoid the hassle of any kind of travel, because the experts are mostly from Delhi or Mumbai, considering how the show business works. So keeping that in mind, 95% of the process will be virtual.
That's really nice idea, actually. It's really lovely.
Thank you for the appreciation. You can check out some sessions and the trainings that have been already going on YouTube. We have put up some live videos there, so you will get an idea, because I'm sure before investing you should always do your research well. So post that, there's one more thing that I would like to add, that ये participation और पूरी benefits access करने के लिए you will have to pay a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST, which will include all these benefits. You will receive a sash of your own, a digital certificate of participation, a Google ranking of your own. For example, 4 months down the lane, if you search Yamini, Rashi, with your full names, of course, Anushka, Pavleen, you will find your name on the top of the Google, because that's how your profile is going to be promoted on the website. The idea is to give that to every participant, no matter you win or not. So to access these benefits and the lifetime membership, which will ensure you receiving every opportunity generated from this platform, you will have to pay a minimal fee of 4,000 plus GST, which will, ensure all these benefits all inculcated. So thank you so much, ladies. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. Yes, Rashi, tell me.
So the thing is that, as you said, that there is a minimum fees of around 4,000 plus GST, right?
Yeah.
So is it the total fees? Is it the total fees? Just a second. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. I understood your question, Rashi. I understood your question. Is there anything more that you want to ask?
Yeah, I just needed to ask you that, is that the total fees or is it just a little bit of it? And there is a second question, but I'll like you to answer the first one.
So this is the total fees. There are no hidden charges. The only charges that will be taken afterwards would be from winners, because we will be arranging your travel, your stay and all of that, and of course your garments. That will be taken care of by the team. But for the participants, there are no more hidden charges after this.
Okay, and apart from that, I needed to ask that, as you said, the classes will be virtual, right?
Yeah.
Just like how we are having the conversation right now.
Absolutely.
The thing is that obviously I have done diploma in aviation industry, so I'm targeting for cabin crew as well. So during the time being, if I go forward with the training itself, and if I'll be interested to go further, and I get the job call as well that I have been hired by XYZ company, if the interviews start or not, then what can I do? Because the flying hours might be any time. I cannot control the company's timetable or schedule, right? So is there like any batch adjustment that I could have according to my duty hours?
There can be batch adjustments in the terms that, you can be allocated to a later batch. So if you are not available for a particular day or a particular time, usually what we do is we also share recordings for that matter, if your business or your work profile is such. But to attend a live session, of course, you can be allocated to a later batch. The only problem there might be that is, there might be a little delay because the batches are kept at a distant space so that everybody can access them. So suppose if you are into batch, say O for that matter, because so far we have multiple batches already created and they are on their talent rounds too. So example, you being in batch O. So for you to allocate yourself into batch P, so that might take a week or a 10 days extra time. So yeah, that could be done. Or otherwise there is always an option of, appearing or accessing the recordings and the YouTube sessions.
Okay, all right. That was all I needed to know. Thank you.
No, so we'll take care of that. That's not an issue. That will be taken care of, for the specific dates that you won't be available. So even for your talent rounds, you can be allocated to a later one. That's not an issue.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Okay. So is there anything else that I need to answer? Kuch bhi aap logon ko confusion hai, please go ahead. Okay, I guess I see some pretty sorted faces. So thank you so much, ladies. It was lovely hearing from each one of you. I had a lot of fun knowing all of you. So you all are, very, very ambitious individuals, I'm sure. And, let's create something very good out of this. So all the best and have a lovely, lovely evening ahead. Goodbye, guys.
Bye. Take care.
You too.